Good morning, guys. Give me just a second. Let me pin this post. And jump on Instagram, Facebook. Good morning, guys. This light is kind of bright. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Hey, Jessica, how are you? Okay, so today's live stream, I am on day 9 of doing my kidney liver flush drink, which is the Claws drink by Doriel from Seeds of Imani, with an added twist to it. You guys know now I've added 4 more ingredients to the drink. So I'm going to go ahead and actually do the drink from beginning to end. So let me start the fire on. I never get to show you guys the very beginning of this drink, so I'm going to do that today. So one of the things I add, besides the Claws, which stand for cayenne pepper, lemon, apple cider vinegar, water, sweetener, and extra virgin olive oil, I add 4 additional things. And one of those is cloves, garlic, ginger, and turmeric. And guys, over the course of this detox, I am going to start breaking down every day each ingredient and the benefits for your body, so that you understand that the ingredients that you're taking, all the wealth of things and all the great things that it's doing for your body. Good morning, Facebook. I see the likes, but I can't see, and I didn't even know I had anybody on Facebook right now because it's not even showing me. So thank you. So from the very beginning, first of all, my name is Donata Joseph, the owner and founder of Donata Skin Food, talking to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. Because for us to get our skin and our hair to be as healthy as we would like, we need to start on the inside. And that's what this detox journey is all about. So first things first, I'm gonna cut 1 clove. And this is the part I usually never show, but what's easy for me sometimes may not be easy for somebody else, so I wanted to show this. The lighting on Facebook is a little off. Okay, so I have 1 piece of clove, and I'm gonna cut this into smaller pieces because I don't have a long time to boil this. I wanna have several chunks to put in the water. And for Instagram, here are my cloves. Then drop it in the boiling water. Gonna cut a piece of ginger and do the same thing. Yes, you wanna peel your ginger. And again, I'm gonna cut it into small pieces. So the juices can infuse in the water that I'm going to use for the detox drink. Here are my garlic, pieces of garlic. I'm adding it in the boiling water. And then here are my cloves from Publix. See it. There you go. I'm going to add that into the boiling water, 2 to 3 pieces. And I'm going to let that water boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Get as much nutrients as it can into the water. And I'm doing it on low so it can kind of just slowly seep out the nutrients into the water. While the water is boiling, I'll go ahead and prepare the rest of my ingredients. We have C for cayenne pepper. Just a tip. Remember, if you have high blood pressure, skip that out. If you have issues with nosebleed, do not use cayenne pepper. C for cayenne pepper, L for lemon. Take half a lemon. And I'm going to talk a little bit about this drink and the effects on the teeth. So that's lemon. A for apple cider vinegar. You can add your tablespoon in the drink. I put mine aside as it irritates my teeth, gums, and enamel. So you add yours in the drink. I put mine on the side. A for apple cider vinegar. We're gonna have the water shortly. S for sweetener, 1 tablespoon. Here's my tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And guys, if you missed last night's live stream, it was so good that we had to jump off because, you know, Instagram will shut your mouth in an hour. So we had to log off and log back in for an extra 30 minutes. So awesome, Jessica. Thank you for joining. So if you did not get to catch the live stream last night, you have till 7 p.m. tonight to catch it. Very great information. We shared some of our journey. We couldn't even get into real deep details of what's going on with our body during this detox. Yes, this will help with bloating. Yes, it will, Jessica. It will help with bloating a lot. So we didn't even get real deep into our symptoms because there were so many questions coming on. So please take a few minutes and go on Instagram and watch the replay. And if you're on Facebook, you'll find the video through my profile. I just added 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now for my apple cider vinegar, I'm gonna go ahead and chuck it down so it can go straight down my throat. So that part is already done. Hey, Shara. And my infused water is already done. So I'll take that water and add it to my drink. Now again, guys, the garlic, the ginger, the cloves, and the turmeric are 4 ingredients that I added to the claws drink because I wanted the added benefits of these ingredients to the drink. And instead of just making 2 things in one day, I'm just combining everything together. So as I said, over the course of the next week, I'm gonna break down every single ingredient one by one. So one day I'm doing this drink, I'll tell you the benefits of cayenne pepper. The next day I'm doing this drink, I'll tell you all the benefits of lemon, and I go forward like that. So you guys understand the importance of this ingredient in this drink. And since this is really, really hot, I'm gonna add some regular water and add the last ingredient, turmeric. You guys know turmeric is very good for the skin, hair, and inside of your body. just a quarter of a tablespoon. Now, because this drink has two ingredients that are very acidic, lemon and apple cider vinegar. First of all, when you're drinking this drink, you want to drink it 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. Why? Because, as I said, apple cider vinegar is very acidic, lemon is very acidic. So you don't want to brush your teeth and then go have this drink and you have the lemon and the apple cider vinegar all on your enamel. So you want to make this drink 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. And what it does is your teeth is full of bacteria when you wake up in the morning. The bacteria protects your enamel. So when you drink this drink before brushing your teeth, the acid in the drink from the lemon and the apple cider vinegar is not irritating your enamel because your enamel is protected by the bacteria. So you drink this drink, you rinse your mouth, then you brush your teeth 30 minutes later. Another way you could drink your teeth to furthermore protect your enamel is to drink it through a straw. And that's one of the reasons why you guys see I take my apple cider vinegar on the side, because my enamel is very, very sensitive. So I have to take my shot on the side and it goes directly down my throat. But I'm still following the protocol. Taking this drink 30 minutes beforehand, and I will rinse my mouth when I'm done. So again, 30 minutes beforehand, drink this drink. 30 minutes before you brush your teeth, drink this drink. To help your enamel even more, drink it through a straw and then rinse your mouth when it's done. You want to protect your teeth. Even though all the things that we're in this drink are healthy, but we have to be mindful of how different things affect different parts of our body, and the acid and the apple cider vinegar will do that to you. What are you making? Shara, I'm making a detox drink, and I am on day 9 of drinking this drink. And when I tell you, Shara, the stuff that is coming out of me and all the I need to learn how to say that. No, not toxic.
Toxins?
No, thank you. Thank you. All the toxins coming out of my body is just to show that all my little on and off sicknesses that I've been having over the past 4 years is because my body was very toxic. So if I want to just say it plain and simple, I have parasites, and this drink made me realize that I have parasites. I did not know that. So that's why I'm drinking it every day. My partner and Dorielle that came up with the clause acronym for the drink, she's on day 173. And what I'm doing is teaching people, good morning. What I'm doing is teaching, good morning, Stephanie. What I'm doing is teaching people that in order for your skin and your hair to really be on point 100%, you have to start on the inside. And so instead of just talking about it, I come on live every day. I show me making my drink. I talk about a different topic. So today I really went in depth of how it affects your teeth. And then, honestly, I don't know how many days I'm going to be doing this drink, but I promise you, Shara, and especially you know how my body has been the last 4 years. It's really helping me to get rid of stuff and making me feel better. So I know you love to do you're on a health journey and healthier eating. Definitely add this drink to your everyday life. And I can talk to you more about it off live stream, but I think you're really going to enjoy it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I made my drink for the morning. I'm going to go ahead and drink it up. If you're making your drink, I know a few of you guys, one started last night, one started 3 days ago, one started yesterday. Share your drink with me so I can share it with others, because it is so empowering. I want to know what you go through. I want to know what your stool look like. I know it sounds crazy because, yeah, who talks about stool? And hey, girl, my stool was pebbly. No, I want to know, because these are the topics we need to have so we can start feeling better. Too many of us are walking around overly exhausted, not feeling good, going through mood swings, having heavy periods, Like we're going, bye Jessica. Let me see, you just wrote, I will start on Monday. We'll stop by the market for fresh ginger and turmeric. Cool, I'll see you this weekend at the market. And we could talk a little bit more about what you can pick up. So ladies, I am here for you. Not just about your skin and your hair, but your mind and body too. And we could go through this journey together. So if you want to catch the replays of the first 8 days, sign up for my email. For Instagram, click the link in my bio. Press on the picture that shows me meditating on the Great Wall of China. That's going to take you straight to that email format. For Facebook, once this live stream is done, I'm going to go ahead and add the link to my email subscription, and I'm going to add the link to the Claw Squad group, which is a group by Doria, which she has a group of men and women in there that's been doing this for over 100 days, and you can talk to them also. So we have tons of information to share with you. Just be sure you're connected with our email list so we can share that with you. Okay, guys? Bye, Shara. Enjoy your day at work.
Bye, Shara.
Guys, I'm going to go ahead and have my drink. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to feed your skin from the inside out. Cheers, guys.
Bye, Shara.
Bye. Go ahead and turn that one off for me.